This man was trying to outrun the FHP on a Harley Davidson, while this teenage boy stole a bike and then crashed into a ditch. But first, we'll see this man who tried to evade an officer, but ended up ramming his motorcycle into him.
Down the ground! All the way down the ground! Stay on the ground!
On April 7th, 2023, a Marion County officer attempted to conduct a traffic stop on a motorcycle because it did not have a license plate attached to it. The motorcyclist attempted to elude the officer, weaving in and out of traffic, and then by driving between lines of vehicles, stopped at an intersection. In an effort to head off the motorcyclist, the officer went around the stopped cars and positioned his patrol vehicle in front of the motorcycle's path of travel. After the officer exited his vehicle, the motorcyclist accelerated around the patrol vehicle and struck the officer in his leg.
Down the ground! All the way down the ground! Stay on the ground! All the way down! Flip over! Flip over! Get your hands behind your back! Get them behind your back! Yes. Kilo 5420, Mark. Give me your other hand. 17th Street Highway 200. Had a motorcycle flee for me. I am 1015 on it.
Good officer.
Yeah. Put your knees up to your chest.
Confirming your 1015 on a 1031.
Can I get my bike up?
He fled, and I was able to stop him in traffic. He fled me with his motorcycle. I am 10-4. Go ahead and roll matters. Knees up to your chest.
Thanks for being
Get my head.
All the way up.
Sorry about that, man.
Why are you fleeing, dude?
I didn't have my plate on and I freaked out. Sorry.
Dude, you hit me head on with that bike.
1098, 1033, 1221 hours.
I just need a unit. I got nowhere to secure this guy.
Nothing on.
Why are you fleeing?
I had my no plate on. I don't know.
You see me trying to pull you over.
Yeah,
you heard my siren, right? Where'd your wallet go? Is it in here? You got a license?
Yes, sir.
Why are you fleeing? What is wrong with you?
Man. Stupid.
Dude, you went around me. I tried to pull you over. I really don't understand. If you would have... You got a CDL. You're going to jail today for fleeing and looting.
For real?
Yeah, for real. What's up with the bike? There's no tag on it.
I have a tag. I have everything at home. I was literally going to Lakeland. I didn't want to pay the toll, so I took the tag off.
Wow. You didn't want to pay the toll, so you took the tag
So
off.
now,
Yes, you are. Is this vehicle registered to you?
yes, sir.
Hey, do you want to just pull up behind him?
He started fleeing from me back here, started cutting between traffic. Well, he had to slow down with all the traffic. I was able to zip up here, pull in front, cut him off. After I cut him off, he tried to go around me. I jumped out of my car, and he freaking revved it and hit me.
That's when he dropped it.
The motorcyclist was identified as 33-year-old Matthew Price. He was arrested for a third-degree felony for eluding a law enforcement officer. On 27th March 2023, an Arkansas highway trooper responded to reports of a teen who was evading the local police after stealing a motorcycle. The trooper was on his way to the last known location as he saw the boy rushing onto the highway from a dirt road.
Hey! He's taking off from me.
Okay.
16 Hope 1037. We're headed west on 332 in State County.
I'm going behind you.
It hit a truck or something at the 44 truck stop. We're westbound on 332 in State County. Speed's about 60. I pulled up to turn my lights on.
Trying to catch up more than 16 started in the middle. Okay.
There's no traffic. We're running about 80, about as fast as it's gonna go. It's a white male. He don't have a helmet on. He's driving on the wrong side of the road. And it's both yellow. Hanson Instead, County Road 207.
Where's that road come out to?
I believe it loops back out to 29, I believe.
It's gonna come out at the end and run into 29 North, I hope. 10-4, I just got a map pulled up. Can y'all start heading that way? 10-4, we're gonna try to cut him off again.
I'm back in. I just got on 330.
You don't have any tags on it. He's driving on the wrong side of the road. About 37 now.
The teen had no license plates or even a helmet. Not too long into the chase, the motorcyclist makes an unexpected move that even took the trooper by surprise.
That's gonna come, you said that's headed towards, so can you advise PD?
I'm set at 330 and 195.
Alright, he just lost it. Alright, he lost it. He wrecked out. Let me see both hands. Let me see both your hands.
I got you.
What's your name?
Garrett Whitten.
Get up here now. Get up here now.
I'm sorry, the bike's on me. Hey,
Both hands.
there's no need.
Go.
The
Get up.
bike's on me. I can't get up.
Why are you so stupid?
I will explain.
Huh?
Put the gun up. I will explain.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
explain.
Take your backpack off, alright? If you do anything stupid, that dog will bite you. You understand me?
Swear to God, I am. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not trying to do anything.
Put your hands behind your back. You stupid, man.
I will explain everything.
You gotta. There's no explaining.
I'm sorry for being stupid, but I have a reason for what I did.
It could be said that the officers made a rescue rather than an arrest. Medical assistance was called on scene, and the male was searched for illegal substances.
Yeah, you can sit down right up here in front of
Are you hurting anywhere?
Yeah, he got pretty bad on my leg.
Did you get road rage? You did. I don't think he hit the asphalt.
County Road 253.
Can y'all turn that key off, please, for me?
Alright, well, your gas is pouring out. It's
I
fine.
know, okay, please turn the key off, man.
Alright, don't worry about that bike. That bike's going to impound. Alright?
Okay.
You need an ambulance?
No, I think I'm good.
You good? Okay. You got anything legal on you? Any meth, cocaine?
No, I have a dad pin. I don't
Why?
know.
Why
maybe,
run?
maybe not. It might have come out.
You got a license?
No, sir.
So why run?
Because,
Would you hit a truck up there at the 44 or something?
I might have tapped it, but that ain't the reason. I have to. I'm from El Dorado, Arkansas.
Alright, before you say
And I'm
anything
good.
else, listen to me. Before you say anything else, I want to read you your rights,
Don't mess
okay?
up. Can you turn it on to make sure?
Don't worry about your phone.
Please, sir.
Okay. Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
This is
You have the right to speak to an attorney. You have one present during any question.
Yes,
You
sir.
cannot afford an attorney. One to be provided for your government expense. You understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
Alright. You understand you don't have to have a lawyer talk to me. You understand that? Alright.
Hey, I don't know what this is in my hand. Will you wipe whatever's poking me out, man?
Let me put some gloves on. Hang on.
Okay.
Have a seat. Why are you going head on with that car too, man?
Because I was trying to get out of there. You drive fast.
Huh?
You drive fast. Look good.
I drive fast, you drive slow.
I know.
You obviously can't drive, you wrecked out.
I know. I wasn't trying to wreck, man. Hey, I got a question.
Whose bike is that?
Where am I at?
What brings you over here?
I'm moving in with my mom.
Where's she live at?
McAllister, Oklahoma.
You far from there?
I am far from home. Well, ain't that me.
You ever been in trouble?
I've a few just little things, but I don't think I ain't ever been.
So why'd you run? Give me a good reason.
Because I knew you would probably take my bike because I don't have a license and I really have to get where I am going.
Oh, so that's a good enough reason to catch a felony?
The teenager was charged with evading law enforcement officers. On September 21, 2022, an Arkansas highway trooper attempted to conduct a traffic stop on a motorcycle for a concealed license plate. The motorcyclist failed to stop and started evading the officers.
Come on, 76. We're in pursuit, coming up to the 16. 10-1, we're past lingerie store. Still 150.
He's slowing up.
Slowing up? We're going to be just out the lingerie store. He's coming to a stop. That's 56.
The rider ran on foot and the officers ran behind to apprehend him. In the meantime, the crashed bike caught on fire and was engulfed in flames.
You will be busy! You better shut your mouth! Oh shit! Hey, bike from fire! Get your unit! Oh, no. Hey! Ah, no! I got it! Give me here! Hey! Hey, go get your unit! You got it? I got her!
Location, all we have left is running southbound on John Martin.
760.
The male was charged with evading law enforcement officers. On June 20th, 2015, Sergeant Lonnie was pursuing motorcyclist Matthew at speeds above 110 miles per hour. As the biker slowed to a stop, the sergeant pulled the motorcycle over and emerged from his squad car with his gun drawn.
Just past Moreland. And looks like we're going to come to a stop. Looks like to be Northland here.
Have you been good before?
Get your hands where I can feel!
Sergeant Lonnie discharged his gun and a single gunshot was heard. Matthew had been shot mistakenly.
Hands where I can see them! Hands where I can see them! Okay. Okay, stop. Put it in park. Okay.
Here, okay, I got you.
I'm bleeding. Please help me.
Yep, I got you.
Oh.
Ready? Start an ambulance.
Oh.
Okay, put it down.
It's down.
Okay.
Oh.
Here you go.
Oh.
All right.
You get
I got
fucking
you.
blood stopping. Please.
I got you.
Please. Oh.
96 and accidental discharge of weapon here.
Hey.
Okay, come here, man. Come here.
Oh, what the man? Oh.
Sit down. Sit down on the ground.
Okay.
I got you. Sit down.
Oh. Please stop bleeding.
Okay, I'm going to. I need you to sit down, buddy.
I'm sitting down.
Okay.
I'm sitting down.
Okay. All right. Sit down. Do not move. Okay. I'm gonna get you some stuff.
Ow.
Okay. I'll be right with you.
Yeah.
Within seconds of the shooting, the sergeant gathered medical supplies and provided first aid. He also apologized.
It's bleeding. Really. It's a lot. Oh, man.
I got you.
Oh, man. Hey.
Okay, you know what? Let's get this going here, okay? Here, I'm gonna wrap this up.
All right, wrap it up, please.
Dude.
Oh, man, come on. Oh, you actually shot me, didn't you?
I'm not gonna say anything right now.
Oh, please don't
but
say.
You know.
Yeah, I know.
It was not intentional. I can tell you that.
I know it wasn't, man.
It was not intentional.
I know it wasn't.
Means.
I know.
I'm gonna take care of you here, okay, buddy?
I know you are.
But if you went to ran, man.
I wasn't trying to run. I didn't.
You weren't trying.
No.
And that still doesn't excuse my actions here, okay?
Man, really?
What?
You shot me.
No, that's what I mean. I'm not saying.
I know.
I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna say.
I know. It's okay. No, it's okay.
I'm gonna take care of you.
I know you are. I trust you.
Yeah, I just need to wrap him up. Okay. He shot in the arm by me.
It's okay. It's okay. Get that phone out of here.
You good?
Yeah, it's okay.
On the way?
Yeah, okay.
I just need. Can someone help wrap him up?
Yep. I just need to stop the bleeding. That's all.
The male was charged with evading a law enforcement officer. The sergeant blamed the mistake on the high stress of the situation and muscle memory from training 20 days before the shooting. In January 2016, an Oregon State police officer was patrolling a 2-lane rural highway west of Eugene in an unmarked gray Chevy Camaro when a motorcyclist passed him. Edwards estimated the bike to be going at least 100 miles per hour. The officer was frustrated that the male wasn't complying. The chase drew to a close as the male pulled over at an intersection. The officer followed him closely and turned his cruiser to strike the motorcycle from the rear and continued to roll forward, throwing the biker from his seat. Suddenly, the officer struck out with his left leg, kicking the male's sternum, then pointed him to the ground. The male goes to his knees and attempts to remove his helmet. The male was charged with evading law enforcement officers. He had expired registration and no insurance when he was pulled over and had multiple drunken driving convictions and a 2008 alcohol-related crash on his motorcycle. On September 7, 2022, an Arkansas State police officer was patrolling the area when he observed a speeding motorcycle pass him by. The officer turned around and started the pursuit.
So traffic's staying back behind us, so the traffic's clear. Taking the Nestle exit.
46 Jonesboro, bad timing. That motorcycle's passing on the shoulder. I'm 1037 also. C5, you want me to switch to Troop B or something?
11, man. I'll be traffic down there. No. What's your 1020?
62. Passing 135, heading towards Piggott. Close running this speed. Unsure of the state. Gonna be have red lettering, white. 714 something. He's passing on the shoulder again.
10-4, public services place 99. Are you coming into Pollard?
I'm getting there. Clay. Stand by. .716 Boy Queen. Looks like Arkansas. 716 BD, BO, or BQ.
The motorcyclist was evading at high speeds, and after a tiring run on the road, he jumped his bike on a dirt track while the officer continued pursuing behind him.
To Troop C, Matt.
Back on Troop C, Jonesboro. 62, Clay 451. Again, it's 716 Boy, I think it's Ocean, Arkansas motorcycle. He's downshifting, he's about to do something, Jonesboro. Northbound. Clay 329, we're on gravel. Son of a bitch.
Do you know that road 46 very well?
Not really. I got GPS.
Okay, be careful on that one.
Just advising heavy windshield damage. Still northbound. Speed 90. Play 321. We're coming up on.
Northbound coming up on 321 Temple.
Slow your speed down and gravel. .46.
Still northbound. He's starting to pull away. My speed's right at 80.
Temple.
Coming up on a T, I'll advise. He's off-road, laid it down, running the field.
Field at the beach.
Hey, stop!
The male started running after the crash, and an officer ran behind to apprehend him.
You better stop! I will tase you! You better stop! You better stop right now! Give me your hand! What are you doing? Give me your fucking hand! Do not move. Do you understand? Do you have a weapon on you? Oh.
346, 10 on.
215.
215, 10 4.
Go ahead. Give me a second, Joe. Get on my bumper, okay? What is your name? Can't breathe. You need an ambulance? Huh? Try and get your helmet off for you, help you out. Why are you running? Huh?
23 jump up, you can't get sick of some still there.
What are you doing, man? You got a license? Huh? I don't have a license. And so you're running because you don't got a license. It's worth your life to do that. And mine, and everyone else's you pass back there. Is there anything in this you're not supposed to have, man? I don't know if I'll be able to get that off. Here you go. .46 Jones, bro. Yeah, go ahead and start 1016. Also need a 1011 for the motorcycle. My car is also partially in the ditch. So whoever you call, make sure they know they're gonna need to pull me out too. I'm gonna cut this off. All right. Breathe, man. We got help coming. Clean up. As soon as the ambulance gets here, we'll work on that, man. The only water I got's for me, and you can't have that. Maybe if you would have just pulled over, I might be giving you some water right now. Not knowing you're gonna poke me, stick me, stab me. All right, lean up on my bumper, okay?
The male was charged with evading law enforcement officers. On November 17, 2023, Trooper Cody Martin attempted a traffic stop of a yellow and blue sports bike for improper turn onto State Highway 5 from Gateway Drive. The motorcycle was displaying an Arkansas license that expired as of 2012 on a red motorcycle.
72, come this way.
70 miles an hour.
About 237.
He keeps trying to stop and pulling his hand over, but we're about 60. It's a white male. Black pants, gray jacket, black backpack, gray helmet. The back fender's yellow and the front part's blue.
Roger, value has directed for Adam 78.
The pursuit continued for approximately 1.5 miles at approximately 60 to 65 miles per hour. The motorcyclist then pulled into a driveway and came to a stop.
Traffic. We're pulling into 506 East Cleveland, 506 East Cleveland.
Okay, well, I keep cutting you off.
506 East Cleveland, 506 East Cleveland.
10-4.
Put your hands up, homie. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Do it now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Do it now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I'll fucking shoot you. You understand me? Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I wouldn't see what's pull over.
You're an idiot. You're lying.
This is what my job is right here. I was just trying to make it to my job site, sir. Okay.
That's not how it works out here when you're dealing with a trooper, buddy.
I'm sorry, sir. I wasn't trying to jump you. That's why I wasn't. I thought it was a lot closer than it was.
You're an idiot.
I'm sorry. I'm an idiot. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
78, bro.
No problem, sir. I don't have no problem, sir.
78. 10-15, you cleared that. 10-11.
I still apologize.
Okay, we're not. I'll advise north side.
I'm sorry, sir. I wasn't trying to run it.
Shut up, dude. You're an idiot.
I'm an idiot.
You're an idiot, bro. You know what you was doing.
I thought it was a lot closer than here. This is my job site right here.
You know what you was doing.
No, I wasn't trying to run from you. That's the thing.
What was the numeric on this clue?
Can I say they lay down?
Yep. Did I say stand up?
No, sir.
Okay. Whose bike is this?
This mine?
Okay.
506.
What's your name?
Jason.
Jason what?
Pierce.
Jason Pierce?
Yes, sir.
You kin to Josh Pierce?
Yeah, he's right behind me.
Yeah, okay. And what? That truck right there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Turn back over. I didn't say get up.
I'm sorry, sir. I wasn't trying to run from you.
Yes, you was.
No,
Were you going to jail for fleeing?
I'm so sorry, sir.
You're going to jail for felony fleeing, bud.
Don't do that to me. We'd already...
Y'all are good. Don't come over here.
I don't need no more trouble on me, sir. I'm so
Where
sorry.
you're in trouble, dude. Shut up crying. I don't want to hear you, bro. Okay? I don't like crybabies.
I hear you.
So shut up.
Okay.
Don't want to hear it.
You look like it. Look at it.
The officer also found a bag of methamphetamine that the male had disposed of near the scene. The male was charged with evading law enforcement officers and possession of drug paraphernalia. On April 27, 2023, a Florida Highway Patrol trooper was stationed in the area of I-95 to observe traffic. The trooper was on the lookout for a black Harley Davidson motorcycle without a license plate. According to reports, the same motorcycle had previously fled from the trooper and had been observed driving recklessly on multiple occasions over the past month. In this specific instance, the rider had also battered a law enforcement officer. After a confusing chase and pet, the male was apprehended and taken into custody.
Anthony's your first name? Okay, Anthony, I'm just going to read your rights, okay? I can't hear you.
No, I have rights.
Yeah, because I might ask you a question, so that's why I'm going to read your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand those? Okay. What's your name? What's your last name, Anthony?
Emmanuel.
And your date of birth?
8/28/90.
Okay. Hey, Anthony, quick question. Obviously, I know you have a medical marijuana card. But you have some California marijuana there. That's a problem. It's the edibles, okay? What's that?
I think those are the Delta 8 Bush.
Are they? I'll take a quick closer look at it. I'll take a quicker look at it.
That's why it was.
I haven't looked at it close enough yet.
I was with that American Honey ship.
Yeah. Okay.
Gas station.
The blue pill. What is the blue pill? Do you know? No clue? Or you don't want to tell me? It's okay if you don't want to tell me. You don't have to. Just say you don't want to tell me. At least I'm not going to mark down the wrong thing. You don't want to tell me? What's that? Oh, you say this? Is that what you're doing? Okay, I got you. Okay, no problem. Like I said, you don't have to. Remember I said that? I'll take a closer look at that and see which one it is, okay? I'm talking about whether it's marijuana or Delta 8, okay?
Hey.
I couldn't hear you. What's that?
I want to be honest.
What's that?
I'd like to be honest, but it's not.
It's okay. I understand. You don't have to talk to me. You know that. I just said that to you. If you don't want to answer the question, you...
The male was charged with evading and battery on a law enforcement officer. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.